Hey folks, Ryan with True Motorsports here. This year, True Motorsports turned 6 years old. That's right, we started True Motorsports back in 2016. And one of the very first products that we launched in 2016 was the Smooth Stage. The Smooth Stage has been by far our most popular product to date. So many of you might not know that when we launched the Smooth Stage, we actually launched it on my buddy Eric's Super Stang back in 2016. Here's a short clip of the very first box that we created. After we tested it on Eric's car and we had successful results, we used it on a couple other local cars here, Charlie Brown Jr. and Brad Vasco. As I mentioned previously, the Smooth Stage is 6 years old. It's been our most popular product every single year. But unfortunately, the product is no longer going to be available. We're discontinuing the Smooth Stage and we're replacing it with the Smooth Stage Plus. The Plus stands for Trans Brake. Smooth Stage Plus allows the user to use the Smooth Stage as not only a staging solution for moving from pre-stage to stage, but also gives you the ability to turn the trans brake on and off. This results in faster release times, makes you quicker off the line, that way you can beat the guy next to you. So the Smooth Stage Plus is now available. So go out to smoothstage.com and get yours.